Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, today I'm in the house with a Spyderco Native Chief here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. And if you are in a good mood, you can also leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this big boy right over here. Yes, it's a big boy. Look at this, you got a 4-inch long blade. Cutting edge is gonna be 3.6 inches and the handle is gonna be over 5 inches for an overall length of 9 inches for this big boy right over here. This is a well-made big boy, very well made, I have to say. It is a lock back, so the lock, you see there's like a spring in the inside. When you open the knife, this part of the tank is gonna push the lock up, and then there's like a space right over there, like a notch, where when you just open the blade, boom, the lock is just gonna snap into place. The spring is gonna keep it down there, so you have to press like this area over here to lift it up against the strength of the pressure of the spring, and then just you're gonna be able to close the blade into the handle. So it is a very strong mechanism, as you can hear from the noise. So pretty cool lockback. This is a sprint run because of the carbon fiber scales and the S90V steel. So it is a departure from the G10 and S30V of the base model, but this is, so it's a special one, but still, you see, you can just spidey flick it, thumb flick it like that. Because it works. So, I mean, this is a big knife, guys. It's a big boy, but I have to say it's extremely well made in US. Of course, this is like, guys, blade is centered. The part probably that I like the most is like how well this part like is like, guys, you cannot feel anything. Like it feels like I would be, look at this. I mean, check it up close. You don't see anything. It's just like super flush. Even here, like it's just great. Really well made. I'm impressed, I have to say. And this is like a, what, like a $250 knife. So let's say it's not super cheap, but still, it's not in the expensive range, like super expensive, but still it's well put together, I have to tell you. And it's, I mean, the feel in the hand is just like of a solid, rock solid knife. You do get like full finger choil with jimping. Like this kind of thing is gonna be a pretty nice deal. Spidey hole right there. Of course, you have the lock back. You see, there's not really like much fidgetability going on in this one, because I mean, you can like spidey flick it like that, but it's no like guillotine effect and nothing, because the spring tension is pretty big. You do get a lanyard hold right there, reversible pocket clip, tip up, tip down, carry only. So you have 4 positions for this pocket clip right over here. I mean, it's well put together, I have to say. Let's quickly check the weight on this big boy right over here, because it's huge, but not that heavy. In fact, 3.67 ounces in your pocket. It's not too shabby for this big boy right over here. So there you have it. If you want to know more, guys, you can also check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.